engine 1000C. Most people expect high mileage on highways. But what if I told you I got 23.5 KMPL on a local road? Without special tuning, EV power, or magic fuel. With a petrol engine 1000cc, I achieved 23.5 kilometers per liter. Not on a highway, not with cruise control, and definitely not in a hybrid or electric car. Just regular driving on local roads. So what really made this shocking mileage possible? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the car. My vehicle isn't brand new or ultra premium, but I keep it well maintained. The tire pressure was spot on, the engine was recently serviced, and I made sure there was no unnecessary weight inside. Sometimes a well cared for basic car can truly surprise you. Next, fuel quality. I always fill up at the same trusted station. No mixing brands, no random top-ups. While premium fuel might help, consistency and quality matter more than any brand hype. That's a small shift that can make a big difference. Now, driving habits. I avoided hard acceleration, used engine braking in traffic, kept the revolutions per minute under 2,500, and maintained momentum instead of stopping suddenly. Most people waste fuel not with bad cars, but with bad habits. So what caused the shocking 23.5 kilometers per liter? It was a mix of good vehicle maintenance, consistent fuel choices, and conscious driving habits. What's your highest local road mileage? Share below and subscribe to RS Inspire World for more real-world wins. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Let me leave you with a few questions. Have you ever hit surprisingly high mileage on local roads? What's the highest number you've seen on your display? Do you think mileage is more about the vehicle or how you drive it? Do you use premium fuel or just regular petrol? Have you noticed any difference? Which habit do you think wastes the most fuel in city driving? If you could improve your mileage by even 2 KMPL, how much difference would that make for your monthly budget? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's help each other